Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. I want to take a look at a very simple problem under the circle geometry. I'll be solving this using the first theorem or one of the theorems of circle geometry. And we have this problem. They said in the below diagram, which is this, PQ is a parallel, PQ is parallel to RS. Where's PQ? This is PQ. So this line is parallel to RS, even though I didn't draw to scale. That is to say this and this are parallel. And then QS bisects angle PQR. So that is to say PQR, this line QS bisects such that this angle is equal to this angle. That's what it means, right? Now the question says angle PRQ is 60 degrees, find X. Now one of the theorems we should know for circles is that if we have a chord, the angle subtended by same chord at different points would be equal. That is to say, if I have something like this, this angle would be equal to this angle as long as they are coming from the same chord. So if this is 30, this is 30. So this is one theorem we should know, and theorem 1, and we'll be using that to solve this problem. Now, seeing that this is true, if this is X, this should also be X. Seeing that these are angles subtended from the same chord, so this should be X. Now, if this line and this line are parallel, it would mean that this place should also be X, so that this angle and this angle are alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal. Also, if this angle is X, this should also be X, because they said this line QS bisects. So if you look at, you would see that PQR is a triangle, and the total angle in this triangle is going to be X plus X plus X plus 60. This should be equal to 180 degrees, right? Yes, so that when I add, this becomes 3x equals 180 minus 60 degrees. 3x becomes, this is going to be 120, and then x becomes 120 by 3, which is what? 40 degrees, and this is the value for the variable x. So I believe this is clear. Thanks for watching Prime Concept.